Hey there, viewers. If you're like me and you love making your home smell amazing, then you're going to want to stick around for this review. Today I'm talking about the Febreze wall plug and air fresheners, Unstopables fresh odor fighter for strong odors, scented oil refill. This incredible product contains 3 Unstopables scented oil refills, each 26 ml for a total of 78 ml. With fade-to-fight technology, these refills fight odors and fill your home with an irresistibly bold scent. And the best part? They last for a whopping 50 days on low, so you can enjoy the fresh scent for longer. Let's talk fragrance. Unstopables Fresh brings the airy, laundry vibes into your home. Who has time to do actual laundry, anyways? With this wall plug-in, you can enjoy that fresh laundry scent without lifting a finger. But that's not all. This plug-in also features a low-level indicator light, so you'll always know when it's time to change out your oil refill. It's the little details like this that make the Unstopables Fresh a must-have for any home. So, why should you consider purchasing this product? Well, if you want your home to always smell amazing, if you want to rid your space of strong odors, and if you want a long-lasting, bold scent, then this is the product for you. And the best part is, you can easily purchase the Febreze Unstopables Fresh wall plug and air fresheners through the link in the description below. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your home with this incredible product. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing product reviews.